like, oh, I love to drive. Driving gives me such calm. Calm where? I've seen a TikTok of this girl being like, me reminding myself that it's just a meeting and I'm not being attacked by a bear. Like, that's how I feel. And I cried like multiple times. I don't think she's gonna care about this. Oh, it lights up! Happy Sunday. I'm craving a salad. Specifically, my favorite salad. The question was, do you know what my favorite salad is? Yes. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Oh, that's it. Okay, bye.
Yeah, bye. We're gonna go to Walmart. See you in a bit. I'm really enjoying the Bad Bunny album these days. The title track is also fantastic, but it's also like popular on TikTok, so it's snowing. No. Okay, we gotta go. Yeah, it's snowing. People are like, oh, I love to drive. Driving gives me such calm. Calm where? I've never been there. Hi, there's a stop sign. Oh my god. How can y'all be calm drivers if there's such idiotic drivers on the road? Oh, why did I go this way? That was actually really crazy. Sorry. I'm the idiotic driver, actually. Okay, of course, I start vlogging on the day. This is the most packed I've ever seen this Walmart in my entire life. I just need to get Dijon mustard. Let's make a Caesar salad.
I got a few good reasons.
This is gonna hit like it. First, yeah.
Where?
Okay, back.
Oh, it's stuck. That was nasty. Dijon.
But the truth is
The way I'm literally salivating right now is crazy.
I know. Only for a few days.
Parmesan chips.
Hey, how did you find out?
Oh my god, look. Gorgeous. Thank you for joining me on this journey. No, I'm just gonna go enjoy my Caesar. Cheers! I have a meeting and I look like a mess. So let's fix this. Of this girl being like, me reminding myself that it's just a meeting and I'm not being attacked by a bear. Like, that's how I feel. I have so much anxiety before any meeting I go to, no matter who it is, what I'm doing, what we're talking about. Meetings are so scary. If you can't tell, I have social anxiety. What did you get, Mom? Yum. I posted a vlog. It looks like a chicken nugget.
Hindi ka naman nagsasalita eh. At nagsasalita.
I don't want to talk.
Ba't yung mga nagbablog nagsasalita? Ano yan?
Ramen.
Ano nga ito? Chicken or
Pork. Mom, you know everywhere in the Philippines, they're always playing Bruno Mars. It's 9 p.m. and this is around the time that I get tired, like randomly. Today, me and my mom, we went to go watch a movie because they're $5 on Tuesdays. So we watched Moana 2. Honestly, I enjoyed it. I know that people didn't really like it. I thought the music was fine. It wasn't Moana 1, but you know, it was good. And I cried like multiple times. That's just me and Moana actually though. Like, that's what we're like. As a treat to myself, as if that wasn't a treat enough, I made a little turon. This crunch is gonna be so good. Hold on, wait. Inside the turon is like a baby banana, and it's like covered in sugar, and then wrapped in like spring roll wrapper. While I was gone, I got packages. So together we unboxed. One thing about me is I'm a sucker. I'm a sucker. 1, period. Just a sucker. Two, I'm a sucker for like 7-inch, 9-inch. What are these? 7-inch, yeah, 7-inch vinyls, like these cutie little vinyls. Anyways, we got 2 Sabrina Carpenters. This one is Bedcam. Don't even remember buying this. It must have been a really long time ago because I don't remember it. And then this one's Taste. Imagine my surprise when I got this in the mail and I was like, wait, I feel like I got this last year. I have the original black pressing and now this is like, I want to say it's like a purpley red pressing. Can't remember though. Well, in this box, this is actually a gift. I got a gift for my bestie Jessica. I never call her Jessica. I don't know why I did that. Oh, there we go. This is a cookbook from Molly Baz. She used to work at Bon Appetit. I think she used to work. Like, I don't think she works there anymore. Me and Jess, like a year ago, or maybe last summer, actually, we went into a bookstore and we saw this book and we're like, wait, should we start a cookbook club? So I guess it's kind of a gift for me also. More is More by Molly Baz. This is the back. It's my friend Jess's birthday today and we're prepping her gift. Reusing this bag that honestly she might have given me. It might be from her. Okay, I fixed the lighting. We should be better now. This is for her birthday. And then this is just what I got her on my trip to the Philippines. This is Vogue Magazine Philippines. It has Eva Noblezada. And then I also got her this from Baguio. It's a cute little strawberry like pouch for coins and stuff. So this is the card I got for her. It also matches like the little strawberry I got her. I also just think it's so cute. It's a strawberry disco ball. And now we write. Do I have a sticker? Let's do this one. And do this sticker. Cute. Yes. We gotta pack our bag. Bagu in case we shop. Who knows? Wallet. Sunnies, even though it's quite dark outside already. A book for the commute. This one I just started reading. I'm on page 30, so I can't really tell you if I enjoy it or not. And then, of course, some headphones. This is what my lip combo is right now. It is the Benetint and then the Fat Oil. This is the clear one, but because I use it so much with this Benetint, it's tinted the inside. Yay. I've never been either. Yeah, that's why I got it.
Where did you even finish? And you're like, I already know what you're gonna say.
This one is a raspberry pistachio, and then this one is like a tiramisu matcha. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, and I like the placement.
I was like, yeah, the cool placement
Between here.
We are wearing the exact same outfit. Spot the difference.
I can't wait to stretch that high.
Tell them what it is.
My wonky baby. Cotton pad holder, I guess?
Yeah. A garlic grater and fish chopstick holder. Let me do this. Perfect. Gorgeous.
Kind of like a urine or something.
Being one of the last cars in the parking lot is actually crazy. But anyways, I went to Jess's, forgot to show you guys, but she was in New York over Christmas. And she got me the sardine Trader Joe's bag. That's literally so cute. Pottery was so much fun. It was like a hand sculpt session with a movie, which was Harry Met Sally. I didn't get to watch a lot of the movie, honestly. I was really focused in on like the hand sculpting. I had literally like maybe a ½ pound of clay left. Didn't even use it. But I had so much fun and I love making things. I have been like so in need of like having to like use my hands in an artistic way. My hands are like, hey girl, we need to do something. The f is behind me? Say hi. Oh, okay. Goodbye. You guys want a treat? Let's go get some treats. Let's go get some treats. Yay. Sorry. What's wrong, Quentin? Bye-bye. I'm dog sitting, but the boys are asleep. So we're gonna eat our meal quietly.
Right now.
On a cattle range during reconstruction. Smart. But I worry that, it's...
Keep on dating Serena.
Tempura.
You kidding? We're going to have so much fun.
Oh, no, I was trying to reach for your hand. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, yes. Okay, sorry. Oh, you sweet boys. It is my niece's, and I use niece loosely because I'm Filipino, but it's my niece's birthday, so we're gonna go grab a gift. She really likes cinema roll and like the Sanrio characters, so I'm gonna try to find something at the mall, and I am running late because the party is in half an hour and the drive is 20 minutes. I could get this one or one of these ones. Those are cute, but also they do say 15 plus, and this is for a 6-year-old. I think she's turning 6. I'm definitely gonna get that. Okay, like this is so cute, but like I feel like a 5-year-old would not care about this. Okay, never mind. We hit the jackpot. Oh my god. Yay. They're letting you smile in that Dollarama, which is crazy. Anyways, we're just gonna pack this quickly and then I'm gonna head over to the birthday girl's birthday, but I wanted to show you guys what I got for her. Hello Kitty card. I got her these cinema roll slippers and I was like, wait, these are literally so cute. They had this little bag, which I thought was so cute. I don't think she's gonna care about this. Oh, it lights up. Oh my god. Wait, did you guys see that? Hold on. How did that happen? Wait. Ah, that's so cool. Okay, anyways, it's a keychain, so maybe she'll find it cool now because it lights up. Oh, it would be so cute like on her bag. Like how cute would that be? I got her a Kuromi nightlight, which now I'm worried because I'm like, wait, like I keep saying Kuromi. Oh my god. Not My Melody. Oh my god, who are you? Cinema roll. And now I'm afraid like everyone got her this because like she's 5. And then last was this really, really cute, this is cinema roll, right? Yes, this really, really cute towel. And I was like, wait, that eats. So we're gonna wrap all of these up and put them in this bag. Open okay, cute. We're gonna write in this card. So cute. There is sparkles everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean this car and get some gas. Cute. Okay, I wrote in the card. It's not sticking. It's not sticking. Cute. Okay, I gotta go. And we're gonna play You Smile because it's stuck in my freaking head. Old Justin Bieber. All oldies. Calling Justin Bieber oldies is crazy. What a cute. Oh my gosh, sorry. Did she?
Yeah, specifically what she wanted. I like it, I like
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
The worst babysitter. Turn the hell around.
Wow. Show the camera what you got. Oh, you're good. Wow, cool.
Hi guys, my name is Justin and welcome to Jillian's vlog. I'm 32 years old. Very fun.
Can I say something a little bit privileged, a little bit crazy? I love unemployment. Like, I love unemployment because of so many factors. Like, one, not getting to work. Yeah. Last year especially, I got so burnt out by the end of the year that even the big joys in my life, I could not enjoy. I remember going to the Philippines and not being excited, and like then coming back from it and being like life is so good, like life is so good, because I didn't have to work for 3 weeks. Like, this vlog reminds me of like what life is actually about, and like how the little things, like the mundane things in your life, are what makes life worth living. Like, life is so worth living right now. I have the opportunity to reflect on my life every day, and I can make time to do that every single day. I get to hang out with my friends. I get to spend time with my family. I even have like the time to make like lunch and then not worry if it's gonna fit in my 30-minute like lunch break. Like, that is what makes life worth living. Enjoy the little things in life. Be creative as much as you can. Capitalism. And I love you. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Mwah.